So this is So Murray. She looks like a doll. She's gorgeous, but besides that, this is her haunted doll collections, and she was asked to show some paranormal activity. Take a look.
Haunted doll collector, I experience a lot of paranormal activity, and I have even been fortunate enough to capture quite a lot on camera too. Here are some of my favourite clips. In this clip, this doll head opens its eyes, and you will see at the end of the clip, the doll head actually jolts forward. And that startled me at the time.
What the
This is a clip of a doll I got quite recently, and in this clip I captured her sitting up on her own. In this clip, my haunted doll Gloria moves her head a little bit. The next clip is really good because you can see two dolls being active at once. The doll on the right is blinking, and then the doll on the left moves her head upright and looks straight at me. They do this quite a lot. When I see them, they typically open their eyes. See the small doll Gilbert, he is dancing to his favourite song on the kalimba. Again, in this clip, this doll Lillian moves her head up as I am talking to her. I love this next clip. This clip is Gilbert dancing because he gets so excited when he hears music or has his hat. He is just so sweet. And this last clip is Maribel moving her head. I'm sure I have way more on my page. I didn't experience any paranormal activity where I live until I started collecting these haunted dolls. And the dolls moving doesn't even scratch the surface. Many strange and unexplainable things happen in my house, so let me know if you'd like to hear more about those.
Yes, please.